LockBox by Darren. My goal is to make a box that could lock itself. It would open when I typed in a password. 1432, for example. Build. It was consisted of cardboard, hot glue, and Lego. The electronics were made of male-female wires, male-male wires, buttons, resistors, and a Raspberry Pi 3, and had a large servo motor. Program. This is my program here.
Can you quickly explain what's your program do?
So this part would state what these words meant to the program, and then this is confirming what it. So input is what goes into this. This is the Raspberry Pi, and the input would be you press this button, that's the input. This motor, that would be an output. And now down here is the actual code. So when I when I run the code, it'll be red first equals, yeah. So if I got the password correct, it would reset my user. User is the number you press in to 0 again. So then it won't just keep adding more numbers. And then it'll say correct and make the door unlock. Then after 15 seconds, 7.5 seconds, it would relock itself again. Test. I had many tests to make sure the code worked. Sometimes it was in the wiring. In the end, it all worked. Rethink. I would make opening the door automated if I wasn't trying to build the frog. I still think the lockbox is fine. Demo 1. Testing it out. Go back to code. I'll run here. So I press I press 1 and it will say my password. It's 1 right now. 1-4 and it will say password. 1-3 and 1. And now the previously unopenable box is open, and now it's got closed. So I can't open it without re-entering the password. And it's open. If I left it out for 7.5 seconds, it would close and I can't put it back together. And I could also change the password if I wanted. And it's right there. So the password, as I said, red equals 7, white. Password equals 1432. I can change it to 4321. So now I need to put 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's open. And then, any questions?
How'd you come up with your box design?
So 1, 3, 2, 1. So I took my inspiration for this horn. You guys told me, but so the horn, it's like this. So if I pressed it correctly, it would turn to 12, and then it would match up with the hinge was Lego. I designed it myself. And then the rest was just a normal box.
So what program are you using?
Oh, I'm using.
For programming language?
I'm using Python for the coding language.
Perfect. Does anyone else have questions for him?
Anyone have questions?
No? Alright, let's give a round of applause.